Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 28th of April. Welcome to it. My good things for today are staying happy and healthy, and you guys for being persistent, sticking with distance learning, turning in your assignments, watching these goofy videos every day. Thank you. You should take a moment to appreciate your hard work. I definitely appreciate it. So thank you for being persistent. Good things from you guys. I did look over them, but I didn't make a list this morning, but there are two big ones I definitely want to mention. Number one, Cheong Kim, congratulations. He is my student of the quarter. He received his award in the mail, I guess last week, and so awesome job. Cheong is an amazing student. He should be extremely proud. He just does everything well. You know, he gets great grades. He's supportive and helpful to others in class, and a wonderful person, and nice to have around. So, congratulations, Cheong. And my other good thing to share from you guys was from Luke Wilson. Luke Wilson's good thing is throwing the ball backwards in Wii bowling and making the people jump and run away. So I thought that was a humorous good thing as well. So your assignment for today, ladies and gentlemen, is very simple. I have Mrs. Montez to thank for this. She sent me this link to this site yesterday. It has a whole bunch of stuff. I haven't investigated and explored all of these links yet, but there are a couple different links here to tour colleges. There's this one right here. You can tour UMass Amherst, Pepperdine. Oh, I visited the campus at Pepperdine before. It's amazing. West Texas A&M, the Air Force Academy, the Claremont Colleges, also beautiful campuses. I've never heard of this one. Governors State University in Illinois. Missouri State, Brookline College. Anyway, a bunch of different colleges that you can tour. I think this is probably more college tours. I haven't actually opened this link at all. This looks like choosing a school and choosing a career and stuff. But there are a bunch of really cool links, right? I looked at this one before. This is a bunch of links to choosing a career, right? How do you go about deciding what you want to do with this thing we call life? So, cool links here. And what I'm going to ask you to do today is explore that site. Check out the college tours. I think would be the primary thing you're looking at, but also that career choosing site. There are lots of cool links to explore there. And think or find at least 3 things that were valuable to you. Like what did you learn? What did you think was really cool? I'm going to have you sharing out those 3 things in your assignment for Thursday, although as you can see, I haven't quite written or decided how you're going to share those things out, but you'll be doing that on Thursday. So that's it. Go to the link. I'll put it in my Google Classroom assignment for today, along with the attendance form, and come up with at least 3 things that you can share out on Thursday. Stay happy, stay healthy, love on your family. Have a great day. Bye-bye.